Today we're in the highly desirable town of Longmeadow. We're at 18 Wilkin Drive here. It's Brad the Mortgage Guy, and this is your local look. All right, folks, we are here. Brandy is inside from the Slope to Shore team of William Ravis. Let's go on in. Let's have her show us around. Beaches!
Yes!
Let's do it! Why don't you show us around?
Let's go! This is my new listing at 18 Wilkin Drive. This house is in an amazing location. You can walk literally from the elementary school to the middle school to the high school within minutes. And it's within walking distance to the Longmeadow shops. This house has 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and 2 half baths. This house has central air and heat, and it is gas. Mechanicals all updated within the last 10 years. There's tons of room in this house. There's a formal dining room, a eat-in kitchen, a formal front room, and a family room for gathering and TV watching. We have a 2-car garage. Not only that, it has a walkout finished basement, which basically doubles its living space.
Look at this, we have an extra surprise bathroom down here in the basement. This room down here is huge. We've got an extra space over here. I love this outside patio leading to a super flat yard, partially fenced in it looks like. Maybe a little bit of work. You could finish off those fences for the pets. Thanks for showing us around, Brandy. This place is dope. If you want a private showing of this, reach out to Brandy. Her info is up there on the screen. This has been your local look with Brad, me, the mortgage guy. We're out of here.